Happy day, children. In our personality development class, the next topic we are going to discuss is personal cleanliness. Personal cleanliness means our own cleanliness, how we maintain ourselves clean by doing many things. Let us see the definition of personal cleanliness. It is the act of keeping oneself neat. It helps to maintain good health and prevent the disease. It involves cleaning the nails, hair, clothes and brushing the teeth in the morning and at night. Let us see some of the pictures of personal cleanliness. See, you can see many things here. A boy keeping his place neat, a girl having a nail cut, then maintaining the hair, and also a boy taking a good shower bath. See these pictures? The boy is washing his hands and also he is brushing the teeth and washing the clothes and many other things. Let us see the importance of personal cleanliness. Helps to prevent the development and spread of infection, illness and bad odors. It helps to prevent and also spread the infection, illness and bad odors. Some of the social reasons why we should keep or maintain our personal cleanliness is by ensuring that our body is clean and well presented. We project a positive body image that reflects our personalities. For example, if we are dressed up well, then we will have the confidence that we have a good personality. But in the other case, if we are not dressed up well and if we are not combing our hair and having proper clean clothes, then our personality will not look good. The psychological issues are by being well presented, clean and tidy, people can feel more confident, especially in social situations. As I told you, when we are outside, if we are dressed up well and if we maintain ourselves neat and tidy, then we will feel more confident. Health reasons. Poor hygiene can lead to poor health. For example, if we have some cut in our body and the wound is not cleaned up well, then that will provoke to some infection. Instead, the wound should be cleaned and dressed suitably. This can help reduce the risk of infection and pain. We should maintain our health properly by keeping ourselves cleanly. Some of the advantages of personal cleanliness are: cleanliness prevents us from disease. If we are clean, then we will not have any infections or any disease easily attacking us. Next, mosquitoes doesn't stay in cleanliness. In clean place or in clean area, mosquito cannot stay. It will be only in any water stagnating places or unclean places. It keeps our surrounding clean. It can reduce cost of maintenance. Cleanliness keeps germs away. Cleanliness effect on the expression of people. For example, if we are not dressed up well or if we have any shabby look, then the expression of people who look at us will not be good. Instead, if we are dressed up well and if we are clean and tidy, then people will have a bright smile when they look at us. Cleaning offers a sense of satisfaction, but may go further by protecting your mental health as well. If we are clean, then we can be well satisfied and also we can protect our mental health. That means if others are happy about or by seeing us, then we will also feel happy. This is meant by mental health. Thank you.